Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to print from your iPhone 16e. To print, select either a photo or a document, whatever you can and want to print. I'm gonna go to the files and select a document that I want to print, and then just click on the share button. And if your printer supports AirPrint, then it's gonna be pretty easy. If it doesn't, then you should look at your printer's manual, or maybe there's a video on our channel on this printer on how to print with it. So just look it up, and if it supports AirPrint, then you should be able to click on print. Then select the printer from the printers list. Then you should also see the number of copies, the paper size, the layout. For different printers there will also be different other settings like print in color, print in black and white and stuff. Then you can just click on print and it'll send that print job to the printer, of course if the printer is on. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.